Hey friends, what's good? It's Kayla and I'm back with a new video. So today I'm going to be showing you my updated curly hair routine. This is what it looks like before. Very looking like I just woke up type hair. So if you want to see how I make my curls pop and come back to life, keep watching the video. Also, I just wanted to say a little quote that really hit me. It is that forgiveness costs us nothing but our pride, and in exchange we gain soul freedom and the chance to expand our love. So just think about that today. If you're holding on to something that maybe someone did to you, or something maybe you're not forgiving yourself, just think about those things and just know that if you're holding on to that, you're holding on to, blessings that you could be getting and expanding your love towards others. So in that, let's go ahead and get started with the video. Okay, so now that my hair is all combed out, and now I just have to wait and let it air dry, and I will show you guys the final results. I just scrunched it. That's what I do. I scrunch my hair up and the curls form, and I just have to make sure that my hair is
soaking wet. Crucial.
So I will show you guys the finished product in a couple of hours because it does take hours for curls to dry. See you soon. Hey friends. Okay, so now that my hair is about 85% dry, I figured I could show you. It takes so long for my curly hair to dry. I'm like, oh my gosh, when? But I don't like to use heat on it because it's so damaging, and I've already dyed my hair so many times in the past that it's just like, I don't want to put any more damage on it. But yes, so this is what it looks like in the very end. The curls are defined, super soft, more volume than it had before. And yeah, so I'm pleased and I like the way it came out. So yeah, I will leave the products that I used down below in the description box, and comment down below what videos you'd like to see me do next. And also let me know what your favorite curly hair products are. I will see you later. Bye.